Welcome to Learn Easy and Smart. Dictation start. At midnight, comma, when the whole, comma, world was sleeping, comma, India awoke to a great nation, promising peace, comma, prosperity, comma, equality, and liberty, full stop, paragraph change, since then, comma, Independence Day is traditionally celebrated with full zeal, comma, fervor, and great excitement, full stop, every particle and pollen in the air seems to be charged up with the love for the motherland. On this particular day, full stop, several vehicles, comma, tempo, comma, auto rickshaw have a tricolor flying on the top, full stop, paragraph change, patriotic songs can be heard at every street corner, full stop. The day is celebrated with great fervor and people pay homage to the thousands of lives laid down by great men and women, full stop. They remember the countless sacrifices made and they glorify the great Indian tradition and culture with which we have enriched the world, full stop. Paragraph change. The celebration starts with the hoisting of the national flag by the Prime Minister at the Red Fort in New Delhi, full stop. 21 gunshots are fired in the air in the honor of the occasion, full stop. Paragraph change. This is followed by the nationally broadcast Independence Day speech by the Prime Minister from the ramparts of Red Fort itself, full stop. During his speech, comma, the Prime Minister focuses on the achievements of the government during the past year, comma, mentions the issues that still need to be addressed to and calls upon for further developmental efforts, full stop. Paragraph change. Tributes are paid to the leaders of the freedom struggle, full stop. The Indian national anthem Jan Gan Man is sung, full stop. March past follows the speech with the division of the Indian Army leading and followed by the para military forces, full stop. All state capitals hold events on similar lines with the chief minister of the respective states unfurling the national flag, full stop. Paragraph change. Another interesting feature of the celebration is the kite flying event that is held all over the country with great zeal, full stop. The sky, comma, on this day, comma, is filled with kites of various colors, comma, shapes and sizes, full stop. All the government and private institutions, comma, schools, comma, colleges and universities celebrate this day of great historical importance by hoisting the tricolor, full stop. Some buildings are specially decorated with lights depicting the Independence theme, full stop. Paragraph change. Even the television channels and radio programs are charged up with patriotism, full stop. Films based on patriotic themes are telecast to let the people and children know about the various incidents of our freedom struggle and to inspire love for our motherland, full stop. Newspapers to print special editions and cite inspirational stories and excerpts of the life of great men from the great books written on them, full stop, paragraph change, Independence Day, comma, thus, comma, is an important day in the life of every Indian, full stop, year after year, comma, it reminds us of the great sacrifice and struggle made by our freedom fighters to free Mother India from foreign rule, full stop. It reminds us of the great ideals which were the foundation of the dream of a free India, comma, envisioned and realized by the founding fathers, full stop. Stop.